In this video, I will be showing you how to create candle label in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar on the templates page and type in candle label. I'll browse through the results to find a design that fits my brand. I really like this minimalist black and white layout, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template. Once the editor loads, I'll start by changing the brand name at the top. I'll click the text box, delete the existing text, and type Love Candle. Next, I'll update the scent by clicking on the middle text and changing lavender to vanilla. Now I want to customize the script text at the bottom. I'll change Made with Love to Made from the Heart. To give it a different look, I'll open the font menu on the left and select a new style. I'll then resize the text box and reposition it until it's perfectly centered and looks just right. Since I have multiple scents in my collection, I'll click the duplicate icon above the page. On the second page, I'll simply swap out vanilla for mint to keep the branding consistent. Finally, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I'll make sure the file type is set to PNG, ensure both pages are selected, and hit the Download button to save my labels to my computer. And that's how you can easily design and export professional candle labels using Canva.